Getting a cash offer on your home typically involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you. First, prepare your home. So ensure your home is in good condition. Clean, decluttered, and make any necessary repairs or improvements that can increase its appeal and also value. Number 2 is research the market value. Get an idea of what your home is worth. By researching recent sales of similar homes in your area, you can check your home value instantly on my website. Just click on the link in the comments or go to soldwithdave.com. Number 3, find cash buyers. Look for investors or companies specializing in buying homes for cash. These could include real estate investment firms, buying property companies, or even individual investors. We have a list of investors if you need them and can provide you with a cash offer. Next, number 4 is contact cash buyers. Reach out to these cash buyers to express your interest in selling your home. You can often find them through online searches, local advertisements, or referrals from real estate professionals. I actually have a list of cash offer buyers in the area. Number 5, arrange for evaluations. Cash buyers will typically want to assess your property before making an offer. They may conduct a quick walkthrough or arrange for a professional evaluation. You can go to my website and get an instant cash offer. Just go to the link in the comments or go to soldwithdave.com. Number 6, negotiate the offer. Once a cash buyer has evaluated your home, they will make you an offer. This offer may be lower than what you could get on the open market because it's a cash buyer, but they often expect a discount for the convenience and speed of the transaction. You'll also experience less fees. Number 7, accept the offer. If you're satisfied with the offer, you can accept it. Cash offers can often close much quicker than traditional sales because they don't require mortgage approvals or other things that cause delays. Lastly is 8, close the sale. Work with a cash buyer in your legal representation to finalize the sale. Ensure all the necessary paperwork is completed and that funds are transferred securely. And after all that is done, you can finally move. Once the sale is finalized, you'll need to vacate the property according to the terms of the sale agreement. If you sell with me and you want help moving, we can do that too. Also, if you need to stay in the home for a bit after the closing, that's not a problem. It's important to note that while selling for cash can be convenient, the offers are often lower than what you might get on the open market. Consider your priorities, speed versus price, and do your research to ensure you're getting a fair deal. For more information on cash offers, click on the link in the comments or visit soldwithdave.com, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much and have a great day.